This is a video about how to repair a lift gate should the ball socket on the lift door break off. Normally the ball is welded on, and if the price is no concern, then yeah, have a body shop weld a new one on for you for a few $100. What I show is a repair requiring no welding, a do-it-yourself for $1. This Ford Explorer was my mother's, and it's an older 2000, so any fix was better than none. What you need is a ball stud of 5/16 or 3/8 inch in size and a nut to match depending on your lift support cylinders. And if you are really creative, you can try grinding down a bolt head into a suitable ball. Once you have that, you simply drill through the lift door with a drill size to match, then cut away some of the outer trim to make room for the nut as shown. And that's it. It's hardly noticeable on the outside. I purchased the ball stud online, but you may be able to get one at your hardware store for about $1. Thank you for watching. Visit us at larryandjane.com for more great ideas. Also check out my latest book, Presidential Treason of Three Stooges.